Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix you can only use Spotify abroad for 14 days. So in order to fix your issue, first of all launch App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. I'm going to launch App Store and then search for Spotify app here. Tap on the app on top. And now if you see the option of update like you see in my case, tap on it and make sure that your Spotify app is updated to its latest version. Let's update the app. Till then, the another step that you can do is open settings on your phone and make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and you are not connected to any VPN services. If so, scroll down below and go to General. From here, go to Software Update. Check whether you have software updates available for your device. If so, tap on it and make sure that your iPhone device is updated to its latest version. Then scroll down below and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset option on top. Then tap on the option of Reset Network Settings. By doing this step, you will be able to fix any network service issue on your iPhone device. Then just go back and tap on Date and Time. And make sure that the Set Automatically option has been turned on and your date and time is set correctly. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.